Hey guys, welcome back. This week I'm very excited to share with you my SKE gear review for the RSI Smartcap EvoSport. Now the first thing I like to get out of the way is, how did I get my Smartcap? Well, I got it with my own hard-earned money, no strings attached. So before we get started on the review, let me start by sharing with you a little bit about the RSI Smartcap company. Now, according to the website, Smartcap is the first modular truck cap system, and if you didn't know already, they are made from stainless steel. The company started in South Africa, and before they made these caps, they actually made other products such as toolboxes. Now, Smartcap lets you build and organize your truck bed exactly how you want it. I purchased my Smartcap EvoSport back in August of 2020 through Off-Road Alliance. And as you know, there were plenty of product supply issues at that time. It took me almost a full year before I got my Smartcap. If not for the amazing customer service and follow-up at Off-Road Alliance, I probably would not have it today. Now, Smartcap offers 3 models: the Sport, Adventure, and Commercial, with options for Chevy, Ford, GMC, Jeep, Ram, and Toyota. At the time, my cap was built in South Africa, but since then they have now opened a brand new manufacturing facility in Fort Worth, Texas. Not bad, made in the USA. All of these caps are able to hold 770 pounds on the rooftop when stationary and 330 pounds when moving. And this was one of the primary reasons I purchased this cap. I had plans at the time of putting a rooftop tent up there, but unfortunately as of today, I still don't have one. And as you can see, for the time being, I've decided to do things a little differently, with a rhino rack, crossbars, Yakima fishing pole holder, as well as my Overland vehicle system 270 awning, which I do have a separate review on, and you might be surprised how it compares to others. So go check that out if you're interested. Now, Smartcap offers a variety of accessories. I ordered mine with the load bars because at the time it was the only thing within my budget. But I will say this, they have all sorts of different roof racks that you can work with, kitchens, tables, drawers, bins, a whole variety of stuff. And to be honest with you, from everything I've heard, they're really great. Now, the one thing I will say is none of this stuff is cheap, and needless to say, we're all on a budget. With that in mind, I do need to acknowledge the fact that from everything I've seen in the quality of what I own from Smartcap, the products are built with the highest quality, so you do get what you pay for. So at this point, you're probably starting to pick up on that I really like my Smartcap. But before I go gushing about what I like about it and what I don't, let's talk about assembly and installation. So the first thing I'd like to acknowledge is you can assemble this alone, but I would not recommend that, and I'm speaking from experience. Now, I'm not saying assembly is difficult. Smartcap on their webpage offers several tools to help you do this. A PDF to print, in some cases a video which applies to most vehicles, as well as a mobile guide. I've only used the PDF and I thought it was perfect. Now, as for how long it will take to assemble it, in my opinion, it should take about 2.5 hours. Smartcap states on their website that install can be done in under 2 hours, and this is something I would disagree with. If it is something you've done before, then that is possible. Now, after you've finished assembling the cap, you're going to need to put it on the back of your truck bed. I would highly advise that you get 4 people. This cap is not heavy, yet having 4 people will make the installation a lot easier, especially when it comes to setting the seals. The last thing you want to do is create a situation in which you're going to have leaks later because you did not install it properly. So now let's talk about what I don't like about this Smartcap. Well, only 2 specific things come to mind. The first one is I had some troubles with the locks during the winter time where I could not get the key to go in. Smartcap was quick to send me some lock covers, and I believe since then they've addressed the lock situation with their newer versions. I also think Smartcap could have done more with lighting. As you can see from what I have on mine right now, I've added additional rechargeable LED lights that I've placed on the side doors as well as the rear door. This was really simple and easy, but thinking back on it, Smartcap should have offered this as an option. So as you can probably tell by now, I love my Smartcap. My favorite part of the cap is how great it looks. When you compare this cap to others, in most situations, it's in a league way past the others. There are a few other caps out there that look similar, but just don't have the finer details or shape at the end. For my second favorite thing about this cap, I love the feel of quality through and through. You feel like this was built on a military grade, from the locking system when they open and close, to the hydraulic shocks on all the doors. They all make sounds that remind you that this was well built. Now, I've enjoyed many a trips with my Smartcap. From camping with my family to overlanding with friends, it's been a great tool all around. And did I mention, my dog loves it as well. It allows fresh air to flow into the back. The dog's able just to stick its nose out the window, but I'm never concerned that the dog is going to get out. There's a lot of great things about this cap, and I could go on for a while, but for now, I'm just going to simply tell you, it is definitely a buy. You need to check this out, and I wish everyone could see it in person before you buy it, but I know that's not possible. You should know that you're getting what you pay for, and this thing oozes quality. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching this Storm King Expedition gear review. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And also, I've set a goal to be at 1,000 subscribers by the end of March, and I really could use your help. So please take a moment to click. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please be sure to check out my others.